Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling measured ingredients. 500 grams, about 4 cups bread flour, 10 grams salt, 7 grams active dry yeast, and 300 milliliters warm water at 105-115 degrees F. Add 30 milliliters olive oil for tenderness and 15 grams sugar to feed the yeast. If you want enrichment without milk, add 1 egg or 10 milliliters vinegar to strengthen gluten and aid rise. No milk is required. This formula produces a lean, sturdy loaf suitable for sandwiches, toasting, and everyday use. Dissolve 7 grams active dry yeast in 300 milliliters warm water at 105-115 degrees F for 5 to 10 minutes until bubbly, then stir in 15 grams sugar. Combine 500 grams flour and 10 grams salt in a bowl, adding salt after initial yeast activation to avoid killing yeast. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead by hand for 10 to 12 minutes, or use a stand mixer on low speed for 8 minutes, until smooth, elastic, and window pane capable. Incorporate 30 milliliters olive oil during the last minute. After kneading, place dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover, and proof at about 24 degrees C for 60 to 90 minutes until doubled. Punch down gently, shape into a loaf or boule, and perform a second proof of 30 to 45 minutes. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees C with a baking stone or tray. Score the top and bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 95 degrees C and the crust is golden brown. Remove and cool on a rack for at least 30 minutes before slicing to set the crumb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.